conservation efforts on Pelican Island were groundbreaking, and the island's designation as a wildlife sanctuary marked a major turning point in the history of conservation. Today, we're on a quest to find birds. But as we've come to expect on these journeys, we may not always get what we hope for, so we've learned to appreciate whatever the day brings. As the sun was beginning to make its presence felt, we witnessed a quiet beauty. It was clear why this place is so special and why it was picked as an ideal spot for a wildlife sanctuary.